Hi, everyone. My name is Kimmy. I am back with Capital Presence. I am here to talk about NOW365. So what that is we do short little clip videos and we give you updates from the Admin Center in Microsoft. If you have ever been in the admin section of Microsoft, you will know very quickly that Microsoft sends out a slew of updates, which is great. And that's the purpose for a subscription licensing, as opposed to back in the day where you used to buy a CD from Best Buy of your Windows 10 and hope that it works, and Microsoft, all of that. So now they update things all the time, and you get the newest and the greatest. However, sometimes that falls into the category of not knowing when things are going to happen, right? So the purpose of this Now 365 is for us to dig in there, pull out important pieces that would bring value to your day, improve collaboration, communication, things like that. If you don't know who we are Capital Presence. We are known for being experts in the Microsoft world. So anything related to Microsoft, we can go in and we can help your business improve communication, collaboration, and really streamlining everything with processes and peeling back the onion and really showing you what is possible in the most simplistic sense that also works side by side with growth. You don't want to do something that's only going to work for a small amount of time. So our job is to go in, use Microsoft resources that we love, like, know, and trust, and show you how easy work can be and how quick you can do things. Not everything needs to have a 20-step process. A lot of companies overcomplicate things, and automation is not always the way. So you're going to see a lot of that right now. You're going to see people talking about AI and automation flows and things like that. And you don't want that right away. You need a core process. I'm not going to go into a rant, but the purpose of why we're here is for Now 365 and talking about the most recent update. So what that is today, we are talking about Visio. If you do not know what Visio is process maps. So you can clearly communicate what a process is internally. So as your team grows, everybody knows the process. It could be from anywhere from invoicing to, tracking opportunities, whatever it is. The Visio is like a flow chart. So it is an application in Microsoft right now. In order to get to it, you do go to office.com, click on the waffle, go down to Visio. It opens up in the web. That's great, works great for us. However, they are bringing in a helpful thing because we live in Teams, Microsoft Teams. Our entire day is in Teams. So the more we can do within Teams, the more we not have to leave Teams is, faster, more efficient, things like that. So Microsoft is rolling out an update where Visio will be available as soon as a Teams personal app. There are no changes to the existing file open behavior. However, there are new abilities in the app that can provide helpful things. So this change comes with a number of user experience improvements to the Office ribbon and Teams, and to provide a decluttered experience consistent with the Office for the web. So a couple of things that are going to be new with this is you have the ability to pin this Visio app to your app bar for easy entry. Right-click the app icon in the app bar to pop out documents in a new window to allow multitasking between Teams chats and document editing. I use that every single day. If you haven't, if you look to the chat, there's like a box with a check mark or an arrow. It's an arrow, not a checkbox. And that pops out the chat so you can keep working in Teams if you have documents stored in there. App homepage to navigate documents, view recommended files, or create a new file. And then changes to the Office ribbon in Teams include introduction of a shared menu consistent with the Office web. There's nothing that you need to do to prepare. Everybody's going to get this app. There's nothing that you need to do in the admin section with licensing or anything. It's just going to show up. It's going to be an option. Just really communicate to your team that this is going to happen. If you use Visio, if you have plans to use Visio, maybe this is the time once it rolls out to talk about efficiency. So you don't always have to go to Office. Click on the Visio app, open it in the browser. Like if you're right in Teams, go ahead and add it to your taskbar over to the left, and you'll be able to access it that way much quicker. This update is going to start mid to end of April of this year. So just keep a lookout. And as always, please, any feedback that you guys have for us or something that you want to see more of, whether it's SharePoint, Defender, any of the apps within Microsoft, we will focus on those updates for you and bring those to you. So please go ahead and communicate that to us, as well as subscribe so you get updated every time we do a new video. And again, I appreciate your guys' time. This is a little bit longer than I normally do, but there was a lot of important topics that I wanted to cover. So again, any questions or you'd like to reach out to us and we can talk about your business, you can find us on any social media platform, as well as capitalpresence.com. We use Microsoft Bookings to connect with us. So if you're looking to book an appointment, very easy to do, capitalpresence.com. Just pick your time that works for you, and then our times will become available and we will connect. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for your time.
Hey there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.